Sandy traffic, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel, taxi on 18 via Alpha.
Delta 421 Los Santos traffic, I'm going to be final 12 right with information Bravo.
Sandy 85, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel, take off runway 18, departing to the north.
Come on up, Pink 6854, going to be on establishing our final here for runway 12, or correction, 12 right.
LSIA traffic, Air France 145 is going to be landing runway 12 right, ETA 1 minute.
Pan.
West team, I'm seriously gonna kick
Kenzie traffic, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel to the west inbound 418 left downwind.
Okay,
LSIA
come on up,
traffic,
Pink
be
6854. Why are there two airplanes on one runway? I think you should be handling this for the trial mod, but whatever. Come on up, Pink 6854, going around to flight level 0204 right in traffic.
LSIA traffic, be aware, Air France 145 coming in for a landing, runway 12 right. Short final.
I'd say go around. You have two aircraft that are currently or never mind. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Yeah,
Is the runway clear or not?
Wait, who? Oh crap, I'm going round.
LSI runways are clear.
Alright, perfect.
We
Thanks for
need
having a
ATC.
back-to-back landing. Maybe go around.
Kenzie
ATC.
traffic, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel, final 25, touch and go.
Alright, come on up, Pink 6854, establishing our final here for runway 1. Up.
Sandy traffic, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel, crossing the airfield on 45.
Whoever's landed to right, as soon as you land,
Come
move
on
as
it.
fast as you can. Move off the runway.
Roger, come on up, Pink 6854, short final order, 12 right.
LSIA traffic, be aware,
Ready for water?
Air France 38 are going to be crossing runway 30 left.
Come on up, Pink 6854, clear of our runway 2 taxiway Delta to Alpha 5 for a shutdown at terminal.
Los Santos traffic, Skyhawk 1 to Hotel on